Are you a professional welder? In this case, you should use a high voltage MIG machine. 220 volt MIG welder should be your best option. Before buying a 220 volt MIG machine, you must have to inspect its power, duty cycle, input and output. You should also inspect the security issues, MIG gun, wire feed speed, and its user-friendly mechanism. You should also check its cost. Now let's see top 5 MIG machines that are dominating in the market. Number 1. Lotus. This is editor's best choice. This is a highly efficient machine and extremely durable. This is very reliable to the end users. In fact, its price is pretty cheap and very demandable towards the customer. Number 2. Hobart. Hobart is very powerful and pretty suitable for the industrial project. Its operating process is very simple and straightforward. Millermatic. Millermatic comes with a lot of innovative features and offers you a huge facility. Its installation process is very simple and operating process is also easy and takes less time. Go Plus. Go Plus has a huge review towards the end users. This is very easy to use. Its maintenance is totally free and the cost is reasonable. Forni. Forni is a world-class traditional brand. This is offering you a lot of facilities and derivative features. Its installation is pretty simple. The operating process is also simple. Even the price is very reasonable.